Right. Here we have the first problem in front of us. Before solving the problem, let us discuss about three important formulas that we are going to use in this chapter. Mirror formula 1 by f, mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. F is the focal length, v is the image distance, u is the object distance. R is equal to 2f. R is radius of curvature, f is focal length. M is magnification. Magnification is given by ratio of height of the object, that is for lenses. M is equal to hi by ho. Hi by ho, height of the image by height of the object, which is nothing but minus v by u. This is the magnification formula. If you know the magnification and height of the image, we can find height of the object. If you know magnification object distance, we can know image distance. We can use either of this. I'll let you know how to use that formula. That is about magnification, right? So here we have the first question. Find the distance of image. Find the distance of image. Whenever you have this question, draw a rough diagram and try to anticipate the answers and check whether what you have anticipated is correct or not. Right? So find the distance of image when an object is placed on the principal axis. First of all, what is he asking us to find? The distance of image distance. V he is asking. V we have to find distance of image when an object is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 10 centimeter. Object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. This is a rough diagram, concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. Here you have pole. So object is placed here 10 centimeter. From here, somewhere over here, this is 10 centimeter. Object u is equal to 10 centimeter. Object is placed, in the sense object distance, right? Object is 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror whose radius of curvature is 8 centimeter. Radius of curvature somewhere over 8 centimeter, in the sense beyond this point or below before this point. Object is at 10 centimeter, right? Object is at 10 centimeter and he is telling radius of curvature is 8 centimeter. Is radius of curvature below this before this point or beyond this point? Before this point. So radius of curvature R somewhere over here. Do not understand, 10 centimeter is the object distance, 8 is before or beyond? Not able to answer that also. Where is the radius of curvature? Object is at 10 centimeter. Why? Who's supposed to answer? 3 times I have asked. Object is placed at 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Object distance is 10 centimeter and he is telling radius of curvature is 8 centimeter. Again 8 centimeter. R is equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find the value of V. In order to find the value of V, we can use this formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. But we are going to find the value of V. Before finding the value of V, we should have F and U. Right? If we have F and U, we can find V. But do we have F and U? We have U. But we do not have F. Using this formula, we have R, no? Instead of F, we have R. If I substitute R value over here, we can find the value of F. Once I have F and U, I can substitute in the formula to get the value of V. Clear? We have to find the value of V. Before finding the value of V, we should get two values. What is it? F and U. U is already given. U is already given. We have to get F. Instead of F, R is given. R I'll substitute over here, I'll get the value of F. Now I'll have F and U, I'll substitute it over here, find the value of V. It is, you might think that it is this simple, however, a little confusion is here. What is it? We did not put any signs. Object distance, U is 10, it will give. In the question, he will not give minus 10 or like that. You have to decide. Object distance in case of concave, it is on the negative side of x-axis, right? 10 centimeter, negative side of x-axis. That's why it is minus. Radius of curvature, positive or negative? Negative. That's why R is also negative. Clear? That is what you have to understand. Clear? Understood? If you know the ray diagrams, then only you will understand. Again and again I am telling. Object is at 10 centimeter. Object distance is no matter where the object is for a concave, it is negative only. So that's why U is negative. R is radius of curvature, again negative only. That's why R is also negative. Why is it negative? Sign convention का video check करो, उसमें समझ में आता. Clear? Now we have to find the value of V. Before finding the value of V, let us anticipate. सोचिए मतलब समझेंगे कि कहाँ पर. We know the ray diagrams, right? उसके हिसाब से we'll understand. Object, where is the object? 8 centimeter is the radius of curvature. At 4 we'll have focal length. What is the position? We discussed 6 positions. 10 centimeter मतलब which position this is? Beyond C. Here you have center of curvature. Beyond C. ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड सी पे रहा तो इमेज किधर बनता? बिटवीन एफ एंड सी, मतलब 8 और 4 के बीच में इमेज डिस्टेंस यू शुड गेट बिटवीन 4 एंड 8, दैट टू नेगेटिव, माइनस साइड आना, राइट? 4 और 8 के बीच में आना, क्लियर? ये ऐसा करने से व्हाट इज द यूज इज, बिफोर सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम इफ यू एंटिसिपेट एंड सॉल्व, आफ्टर सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट अ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड यू कैन डिसाइड देन एंड देयर आर यू गेटिंग फुल मार्क्स फॉर दैट प्रॉब्लम और नॉट, क्लियर? रे डायग्राम्स अच्छे से आओ, फिर उसके बाद में साइन कन्वेंशन एंड दिस सर्टेन फॉर्मुलास, एक रफ डायग्राम बनाओ, उसके बाद में आराम से समझ में आता, प्रैक्टिस दिस प्रॉब्लम. चलो, राइट, वी हैव टू फाइंड द, वी आर यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मुला फर्स्ट. आवर मेन मोटिव इज टू use this formula. However, we do not have all the required terms. We have u, we do not have f. I am using this formula to get the value of f. What is it? We know that r is equal to 2f. What is the value of r? Minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to 2f. So f is equal to minus 8 divided by 2. F is equal to minus 4. We have f, we have u. We'll substitute in the first formula, mirror formula. We know that 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is the value of f? Just now we got 1 by minus 4 is equal to 1 by v. That is what we are going to find, plus 1 by u. 1 by minus 10. 1 by minus 10 can be written as, this minus will go to the numerator and minus into plus it will become minus. So 1 by minus 4 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10, if I transfer this side it will become plus. 1 by minus 4 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. From here you can do cross multiplication or LCM, it is up to you. So 10 into 1 is 10, plus into minus, minus 4 1 is 4. Cross multiply, 10 1 is 10, 4 into minus 4 into 1, minus 4 by minus 40 is equal to 1 by v. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. 6 by minus 40 is equal to 1 by v. Are we supposed to find the value of v or 1 by v? V. Ulta karo isko. So it will become minus 40 by 6 is equal to v by 1, which is v only. v by 1 बोल तो b. 40 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 40 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 4 is remain 0.0. Again 6 6 are 36. 6.66. So v is equal to minus 6.66 centimeter. That is what we have anticipated. 4 और 8 के बीच में आना. 4 और 8 के बीच में आ गया. ऑब्जेक्ट 10 पे है तो इमेज 6.66 पे है. What is the nature of this image? Real, inverted. It is not asked, but you have to practice this. Real, inverted, diminished. Yes, object कितना था? Object का size नहीं दिया, but it will be diminished. Image size also we do not have, but according to ray diagrams we can guess. It will be, if the object is beyond C, then it means it is enlarged. Image is smaller than that. That is diminished. Real, inverted, diminished, and what is the position between F and C? Yes, these points you have to write. Clear? Right. Here we have second question. A convex mirror with a radius of curvature of 3 meter is used as a rear view mirror for a vehicle. Convex mirror is used as rear view mirror. गाड़ी का mirror के लिए तारा use करे, इसको कहते हैं. If a bus is located at 5 meter, पीछे एक बस है 5 मीटर पे, वो पीछे जो बस है वो क्या है? बस ऑब्जेक्ट है, इमेज है? ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस है. वो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस को ऐसा दिया है. इफ अ बस इज लोकेटेड, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस है 5 फ्रॉम दिस मिरर, फाइंड द पोजीशन, नेचर एंड साइज ऑफ द इमेज. लाइक ऑलवेज पहले क्या करेंगे? वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ रफ डायग्राम. इन दिस डायग्राम व्हिच टाइप ऑफ मिरर इट इज? कॉन्वेक्स. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, ये कॉन्वेक्स, राइट, दिस इज अ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. नेक्स्ट, ठीक है, फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर आर. एक मिनट, आर हाउ मच इज आर? 3 मीटर. आर इज 3 मीटर. rear view mirror for a vehicle. If a bus is located, bus I already told, bus मतलब object distance है. U is 5 meter. First of all write the values, sign बाद में तो सोचेंगे आराम से. हाँ, what is asked us to find? Position, nature and size of the image. Yes. Right, we have the all the values. We have to find the पोजीशन एंड नेचर उसका तो बिफोर ड्राइंग द रे डायग्राम, बिफोर सॉल्विंग ओनली वी कैन टेल, बिकॉज इट इज कॉन्वेक्स, राइट. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर है तो व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर? वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, डिमिनिश्ड. वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, डिमिनिश्ड बनता, ठीक है. और थोड़ी डिटेल्स मतलब कितना साइज वगैरह क्या है, व्हाट एट व्हाट पोजीशन इट इज फॉर्मिंग, दैट विल डिस्कस. वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ v and remaining values we'll see. Again we'll use this formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. In order to substitute in that formula you should have u and f, but do we have u and f? We have only u. U, my negative sign, right, negative sign, because it is a convex. In case of convex only one value is there which is negative. Object is placed at negative x axis. Negative x axis पे है तो it is negative. V is what we have to find, unknown. R, will use that formula first of all. R is equal to 2f. R is equal to 2f. We know that R is equal to 2f. What's the value of R? 3. 3 is equal to 2 into f. From here f is equal to 3 divided by 2. F is equal to 3 by 2 which is 1.5. But while solving I'll put it as 3 by 2 भी रख लेते हो या 1.5, whatever is feasible according to me that will use. 2 is in multiplication, इधर आ गया तो division में से, ठीक है. चलो will substitute in that formula. Another formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is the value of f? 1 by 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2. ऊपर आके 2 by 3. सॉल्व करने में पॉइंट से अच्छा फ्रैक्शन है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर ले सकते हैं. 1.5 लगाए तो गुना कुछ भी नहीं है, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है कैलकुलेशंस, दैट्स व्हाट इट इज, राइट. इज इक्वल टू 1 by v प्लस 1 by u, 1 by -5. 1 by -5, this one, huh? R, that is concave, this is convex. In case of convex, radius of curvature and focal length both of the right side of the axis which is positive, right. ये माइनस चल जाता. हाँ, 1 by 3 by 2 मतलब 2 by 3. 1 by 3 by 2 एक नंबर के नीचे एक फ्रैक्शन है तो उल्टा हो जाता. 1 रेसिप्रोकल, इट इज 2 by 3. 2 by 3, दिस इज प्लस इंटू माइनस, माइनस को यहाँ पर ट्रांसफर करे तो प्लस 1 by 5 इज इक्वल टू 1 by v. ये स्टेप समझ में आया अच्छे से. दिस इज द फ्रैक्शन 1 by 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2 इज नथिंग बट 2 by 3. ये प्लस इंटू माइनस, right, whenever it is till the point it is on the right hand side it is negative. If I transfer the negative part to the left hand side it will become positive. Cross multiply करेंगे यहाँ से, 2 5s 10, 10 plus 3 1 is 3 by 3 5s are 15 is equal to 1 by v. 10 plus 3, 13 by 15 is equal to 1 by v. 13 divided by 15, 13, उल्टा करेंगे उसे, राइट. 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 13 इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई v बाई 1. v बाई 1 बोले तो v हो जाता सीधा. v बाई 1 को v लिख देंगे डायरेक्टली. सो 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 13, 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 13, 13 1 इज 13, राइट. 13 1 इज 13. इफ यू सबट्रैक्ट 2 बचा 0.0, 13 1 इज 13, माइनस करे 7 बचा, पॉइंट ऑलरेडी देयर 0, 13 5, 13 5 1.15. v is equal to 1.15. इमेज डिस्टेंस मिल गया, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस था, इमेज डिस्टेंस आ गया. व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स? वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, डिमिनिश्ड, राइट. एक m लिखेंगे. m is equal to मैग्निफिकेशन. मैग्निफिकेशन वी कैन टॉक अबाउट हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट और हाइट ऑफ द इमेज, और ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इमेज डिस्टेंस से भी अपन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. वी हैव v एंड u. v और u का वैल्यू है ना, v और u का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके मैग्निफिकेशन फाइंड करेंगे, राइट. सो इट इज माइनस v मतलब माइनस 1.15. 1.15 से अच्छा मैं फ्रैक्शन यूज कर लेता हूँ. अगेन यहाँ पर भी सेम फ्रैक्शन की जगह 3 by 2 जैसे यूज कर रहे थे अपन ना, सेम टू सेम ऐसा. तो इट विल बिकम माइनस 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 13 बाई u माइनस 5. माइनस 5 बाई 1 ले लेंगे, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल. m इज इक्वल टू 15 by 13 into 1 by 5. 5 by 1? Huh? Yeah, 5 1 is 5. 5 3s are 15. Right, so m is equal to 3 by 13. m is 3 divided by 13. 3 को 13 से डिवाइड करिए. 13 का टेबल में 3 होगा नहीं, 0. 13 2s are 26, 13 2s are 26, 4 पॉइंट इज ऑलरेडी देयर 0, 13 3s are 39, माइनस करेगा 1 बचेगा, क्या बनेगा 0.23, m इज इक्वल टू 0.23, राइट। अब यहाँ पर एक इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट समझो, m के वैल्यू पे वी कैन डिसाइड मेनी थिंग। m ये 2 मार्क्स के लिए भी वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ we'll discuss about 2 points, sign, first of all one of the thing is sign, another one is number, sign and number। if the sign is plus then it is erect and virtual image। if the value of m is plus में आया अपने को, प्लस में आया तो erect and virtual। if it is minus, m is minus मतलब inverted मतलब real। if the m is in negative, real inverted, right। number, if the value of m is greater than 1, if the value of m is greater than 1, virtual erect and magnified, size it is magnified, greater than 1 रहा तो virtual erect magnified, is equal to 1 same size, less than 1 diminished। m के वैल्यू पे डिसाइड कर सकते हैं पहला इमेज का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। m, if m is positive virtual erect, if m is greater than 1 magnified, if m is lesser than 1 diminished, if m is equal to 1 same size, if m is negative real inverted, greater than 1 enlarged or magnified, lesser than 1 diminished। m के बेसिस पे बोल दे सकते हैं यहाँ पर, राइट। सी सो m कितना आया 0.23 प्लस है माइनस है, प्लस इन द सेंस व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इमेज, वो अपन स्टार्टिंग में डिसाइड कर लिए थे। बट इफ यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट वे, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द वे। m इज पॉजिटिव मतलब वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट, ग्रेटर देन 1 लेसर देन 1, 0.1 ग्रेटर देन 1 कब से हुआ रहा, 0.23 1 से छोटा है ना, डिमिनिश्ड। सो इट इज वर्चुअल, डिमिनिश्ड, इरेक्ट। कौन से साइड का मिरर है कि देख लो, समझ में आ गया, क्लियर। और